Hello and welcome to your third maths lesson of the week. Okay, let's get on with our do now. What are the whole numbers? So we have got our parts here, but we don't know our whole number. So what I'd like to do is pause your video, have a go with your adult at all three of these, and then we'll come back and do them together. Off you go. Okay, boys and girls, let's have a go together. So what we're going to do is we're going to count our parts and then we are going to find the total. So we've got 7. So we're going to start on 7. We're not going to start from 1. We're going to count on from 7. 7, 8, 9. 7 plus 2 equals 9. Well done. Okay, on to the next one. We have got, how many here? 5. So we're going to count on from 5. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5 plus 4 makes 9. Oops. And lastly, let's do this one. 3 and 6. So let's count them from 3. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And 9 as well. So all of our whole numbers here are 9. Well done if you got those right. Today we are learning to find number bonds for 10. Number bonds for 10. We will be successful if we can split the number into 2 parts. We will also be successful if we can find the whole number and say what the parts are, and if we can find different number bonds for the same number. Our star words are equal to, whole, and part. Okay, boys and girls, I'm going to put my visualizer on and we can go through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 examples of number bonds for 10. Right, off we go. Firstly, I need to have 10 cubes. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's my 10 cubes. And I need to split them into parts. But I'm going to work methodically. So I'm going to only split them into this part. I'm going to put them into this part first, and I'm going to put none over here. Okay, well, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so I have got my 10 cubes over here. Have I got any over here? No, I've got none in there. So I can say 10 plus 0 equals 10. Now, because I'm working methodically, I'm going to move 1 across to this part. Here we go. Now I can work out my next number sentence. So in this part, I have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 over here. So I can put my 9 there. 9 plus, how many have I got over here? 1. 9 plus 1 makes 10. So I've got my 9, number 9 for here. I've got my 1 for here and my 10 for the whole number. Okay, let's move on to the next one. I'm going to work methodically again. So I'm going to move 1 cube from this part over to this part. What's my new number bond? Let's work it out. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 over here plus 1, 2. 8 plus 2 is 10. 8 plus 2 equals 10. Right, let's keep working methodically. I'm going to move 1 cube from this part over to this part. How many have I got over here? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 plus 1, 2, 3. 7 plus 3 equals 10, my whole number. 7 plus 3 equals 10. Right, let's keep working methodically. Keep working to a method. I'm going to move this over here. So I've moved 1 cube from this part into this part. Let's go again. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 over here. Plus 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 plus 4 equals 10. I'm going to show you one more example. I'm going to move a cube from this part over to this part. Let's go. All right, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 over here. 5 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They're equal. This part is equal to this part. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Okay, fantastic. So we have found all our number bonds for 10 there. We can also reverse them. If you carry on, you'd be reversing the number sentences you've already done. Okay. Can you write the number bonds for 10? So we have got our number bonds here. We've got a whole number 10. We've got a 1, but we're missing a part here. So I think what we need to do is go back to our visualizer and have a go like we did with our 9s yesterday. Okay, so let's get our visualizer back up. So we've got a 10 and a 1. We need to work out the other part. So 10, I need how many cubes? 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 cubes. I have 1 over here. 1. All of these need to go where then? Yes, they need to go into this box. Let's go. This circle. 1, this part. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Very good. So we've got 1 and 9 makes 10. So let's fill that one in. 1 and 9 makes 10. On to the next one. We have got 10 as our whole number, and then we've got 3. Okay, 10 and 3. So we need to find this part here. So we've got 10, we've got 3 in this part, and we need to move the rest of our cubes into this part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 and 7 makes 10. Three and 7 makes 10. On to our next one. 10 is our whole number. 2 is in this part. We don't know what's in this part though. Let's work that one out. So we have got 2 over here, and we've got the rest over here. Let's pop them into this part here, and we'll work out what 2 matches with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 and 8 makes 10. Two and 8 makes 10. Okay, on to the next one. So we have got 10 as our whole number. 4 is our, in this part, but what's going to go over here? Let's see if we can work it out. So we've got 10 as our whole number. 4 is over here. We need to put the remainder of the cubes here, don't we? you're going to count with me. 1, 2, okay. So how many do we have here? 4. And how many did we add here? 1, 2, 3, 6. 4 and 6 makes 10. Well done. And our last one, 10 is our whole number. 0, there's none over here. So how many should go here? If we've got none in this part, how many are going to go here? You're right. All 10 of them will go here. Like that. And I can just show you. I'll show you that now on our visualizer very quickly. If I have got 10 as my whole number and none are in this part here, it means that they all have to go in this part to make our number 10. Let's check if they are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right, boys and girls, your independent learning looks like this. Okay, I want you to work methodically when you're doing this. So I will show you how I'd like you to do the first one, moving on to the second one, and then it's up to you to continue on your own. So your work will look something like this. If you haven't printed it out, if you print it out, then you can use the worksheet. You'll have a 10 and you'll have 2 parts here. Okay, first I want you to put all 10 into one part. Put all 10 into one part. Okay, and then you can write your first number sentence. So we've got 10 and 0 makes 10. So let's write that one in. So we've got, 10 and 0 makes 10. So let's write that one in. 10 and 0. Then we go back onto the visualizer. And we're going to work methodically. So what do we need to do? We need to move 1 cube over to this part. Let's go. Over it goes. How many have we got left over here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 over here, so you can write 9 in that box, and 1 over here. So you write 1 in that, 1 for that part. Then, boys and girls, you keep working methodically. You move 1 over at a time, count, and write. Okay, boys and girls, good luck with that. And make sure you get your work put onto Seesaw for us. We look forward to seeing how well you will do. Okay, good luck. Bye-bye.